Do you want to understand real English conversations when talking about health and exercise?
Or maybe you want to speak English more naturally at the gym or while talking about healthy habits.
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about exercise, healthy routines, and staying active.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve listening and speaking naturally.
So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy today's conversation. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Today, we're talking about exercise, healthy habits, and daily routines.
You'll hear simple English expressions people use when talking about fitness and health.
Before we begin, thank you so much for supporting this channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below.
All right, Emily, are you ready to exercise?
Maybe after coffee.
Classic Emily answer.
Paul, do you exercise regularly?
I try to.
That sounds suspicious.
Okay, not every day.
What kind of exercise do you do?
Mostly walking and sometimes jogging.
That's good.
What about you?
I enjoy yoga and stretching.
Really?
Yes, it helps me relax.
That sounds peaceful.
Do you enjoy going to the gym?
Honestly, not really.
Why not?
I don't know how to use some machines.
Same sometimes.
One time I used a machine the wrong way.
Seriously?
Yes, someone had to help me.
Oh no.
Very embarrassing.
Poor Paul.
Do you wake up early to exercise?
Sometimes.
Morning exercise sounds impossible for me.
Really?
I can barely open my eyes in the morning. What about everyone listening? Do you exercise in the morning or evening?
Tell us in the comments. Do you eat healthy food every day?
I try my best.
That means sometimes.
Maybe.
What healthy food do you enjoy?
Fruits, salads, and soup.
That sounds healthy.
What about you?
I like healthy food, but I also love burgers.
Same, honestly.
Do you drink enough water every day?
I try to.
I always forget.
Really?
Yes, then suddenly I drink a lot at night.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Of course.
How many cups?
Maybe 2.
Only 2?
Sometimes 3.
Coffee gives me energy too.
One time I drank coffee late at night.
Oh no.
I couldn't sleep until 3 a.m.
Seriously?
Yes, never again.
What about everyone listening? Coffee or tea?
And what's your favorite healthy food?
Tell us in the comments.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I like relaxing, walking outside, and meeting friends.
That sounds nice.
Sometimes I play badminton too.
Really?
Yes, but I'm not very good.
Same here.
One time I played badminton with my cousin.
How was it?
Very tiring.
Seriously?
After 10 minutes, I needed a break. My cousin still had full energy.
That's funny.
What activities help you relax?
Walking in the park and listening to music.
That sounds peaceful.
Fresh air always makes me feel better.
I agree.
Do you enjoy riding bicycles?
Yes, but only short distances.
One time I rode a bicycle for 2 hours.
Wow.
The next day, my legs were hurting.
That sounds painful.
Very painful.
What about everyone listening? What's your favorite activity to stay healthy?
Walking, sports, gym, yoga?
Tell us in the comments.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed today's English conversation.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just keep listening and practicing every day.
Little by little, your English will improve.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next lesson on Everyday English Learning.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.